Now children, let me start the Indian place value chart. So in Indian and place value chart, we are having ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Under the column ones, we are having hundreds, tens and ones, thousands, 10,000, thousands and 10,000s. In lakh column, we are having lakhs and 10 lakhs. In crores, we are having crores and 10 crores. Next is international place value chart. We are having in the ones place ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands, it is thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. In millions, we are having millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. So this is about international place value chart. Now what is the difference between these two charts? Let me start from the Indian place value chart and international place value chart. You are seeing that both the ones place are same. In thousands, we are having in the Indian place value chart thousands and 10,000, but in international place value chart we are having thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. And in Indian place value chart it is lakhs and crores, but now here it is millions in international place value chart. Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay. Now what you have understood, let me have in a synopsis. 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. 10 millions is equal to 1 crore. And 100 millions is equal to 10 crores. Now let me come to the expanded notation. First we have the number 29,123. This can be expanded in three different ways. 2 10,000s plus 9,000s plus 100 plus 2 tens plus 3 ones. And in the second we have 2 into 10,000 plus 9 into 1,000 plus 1 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1. And in the third option we are having 20,000 plus 9,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 3. The standard form of another number 64,046. Now what is the standard form here? 60,000 plus 4,000 plus 40 plus 6. Now let me have the expanded form of a number which is called 2,385. Now it can be, what is the standard form here? 2,000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 5. So 5 is in the ones place, so 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 8 is in the 10 place, so 8 into 10 is equal to 80. 3 is in the 100 place, so 3 into 100 is equal to 300. And in the 1000 place we are having 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000. Now the expanded form which it can be continued here for 4,53,169. This is the number. So we can expand it as 4 lakhs plus 50,000 plus 3,000 plus 100 plus 60 plus 9. So 9 is in the ones place, 6 is in the tens place, so it is 60. 1 is in the 100 place, so it is 100. 3 is in the 1000 place, so 3,000. 5 is in the 10,000 place, so it is 50,000. 4 is in the lakh place, so it is 4 lakhs. So this is diagrammatically it is shown here. Now addition of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. The two numbers are here, 324 plus 123. We have to start addition right from the ones place. So 4 plus 3 is here 7, 2 plus 2 is here 4, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So this way we have to do the addition. Another example for you, 345 plus 234. 345 can be expanded as 300 plus 4 tens plus 5 ones. And 234 is 200 plus 3 tens plus 4 ones. Now you add it. 5 plus 4 is 9 ones. 4 plus 3 is 7 tens. 3 plus 2 is 500. So it is 579. Now addition with regrouping. Another example for regrouping is 437 plus 245. Now children, you have to start from the ones place. So 7 plus 5 is always 12, and you have to put the ones digit of 12, that is 2, and 1 will be carried. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So children, this is a worksheet waiting for you. As much as you practice, you will be perfect. So this is the worksheet. Do it, children. Another worksheet for you. This is the addition with regrouping. Children, do it. Please practice more. Now subtraction without regrouping. Another example is given for subtraction, that is 567 minus 342. So subtraction is also done from the ones place. 7 minus 2 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Similarly, here also, here the one worksheet is waiting for you. You do this. Simple subtraction, start from the ones place. Another subtraction with regrouping. One example is given here. 639 minus 275. So you have to start from the ones place. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. And 3 is smaller than 7. So we have to take 1 from 6. So 13 minus 7 is 6. And as you have taken 1 from 6, so it becomes 5. So 5 minus 2 is here 3. So 364 is your answer. Now another example is 634 minus 258 is in the ones place. 4 is smaller than 8, so we have to borrow. So it becomes 14 minus 8, 6. 3 becomes, again 2 becomes less than 5. So again we have to borrow from 6. So it becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. And 6 here, instead of 6 it becomes 5. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 376 is the answer. So children, this is the worksheet on subtraction with regrouping. Do it. Practice more. Thank you, children. God bless you. As much as you do, you will be better and perfect.